Hello everyone. In this lesson, I am going to coach you how you can perform your marketing use cases with the help of one of the most trending tool, which is called as the Claude AI. I would like to share with you 5 copy and paste prompts and use cases that can convert your marketing campaigns towards your expected outcomes, and that can be still these prompts if you will be reused for writing the ads, emails, and the creating the monthly content will help you a lot. So without wasting your time, let me navigate towards the main screen. So why marketers love the cloud? There are three reasons you must know if anyone would like to ask you. Number one, Claude AI will be presenting just like you are talking to a human being. It will be helping you for asking the questions, giving you the direction, and write long form copy that reads like a person, not a robot. When you will be presenting a prompt, which I will be explaining you, Claude AI will be asking you the counter questions. Do you need this stuff? Do you need this thing? Do you are expecting for a particular target audience? All these things Claude will be asking to you. That is the reasons people love to use this tool. Number second, nailed your voice. Claude AI will be presenting like feed it sample once, it will be matches your brand tune every time now. And the number third, massive context. You just need to drop in your whole brand document or transcript or a data set and leave everything towards the Claude AI. So now the second question will come, what are those four part prompt formula? And this is the four steps formula is the backbone for your main content creation in terms of marketing. Number one, role. You are a direct response copywriter, so whenever you will be presenting any prompt, you need to ensure that you specify the role of your prompt. And here you presenting just like here is presenting, you are a direct response copywriter. Then second part will come the context, and where you just need to specify who is for the product and the pain point you need to explain. Now the better you will be presenting the context, the Claude AI will be creating a better results for you. And number third, you need to present the task, exactly what you want it to produce. If you will not be presenting the task, how Claude AI will be helping to create and generate the expected outcome. And number four, format. Format, you need to present the length, the structure, the tone, and the number of options. All these things you need to present, and this is the four part formula. And I would like to now present you the practical example. And let's say you are a Facebook and you are a Google ad specialist and you are creating the ad copy. So this is the real time example you can use, copy and paste and reuse in your campaigns. And here first of all you just need to present, like let's say you are a direct response copywriter and write a 5 Facebook ad variation for, and here you just need to specify your product name now. And Claude will be creating the ad copy on the basis of your product. And here in the product you just need to specify the link of your product, the description of your product, or all the details you can specify. And then you just need to specify the target audience, that who is your target audience which you are targeting. And you just need to presenting the pain point, the main problem, just like the previous slide I was presenting you here, the four step formula. And we specified the role, we specified the context, and now the task we just need to specify it here as well, that each ad needs a scroll stopping hook. So the ad copy should create in a way that people should not be scroll and skip my ad, they should read. And you need to create a hook, and people would like to read the 2 to 3 lines of body, and one CTA button, call to action button, should be there. And tune, we specify the bold, friendly, and premium. And this is how you just need to specify. So how you can do this now, if I just navigate here and if I just copy this thing, and you can just navigate towards the interface. Here is the Claude AI I am using, is one of the most important and latest model, Opus 4.8. This is one of the trending model, but always make sure if you are using that will consume your lots of tokens, but this will be very good for research and giving you the extended results now. So here in this model, you can see these are the previous one. If I just come here and copy and paste, and this is how you just need to specify your product now. So what you need to do now, if I just go back towards here this e-commerce website, and if I just copy here now, or I would like to copy the link of any product, for example this is the sample product, I just copy here now, and I can just copy the link of this product and navigate towards the chat, and here in the bracket I can specify the link of the product here, and I can just copy and paste here now. Let me do this thing, and under the bracket I just need to copy and paste, and this is the product detail I just specified, and after that I can just specify the target audience, who they are, and I can specify that the target audience should be the one who are looking for buy online clothes, dresses, and the pain point, their main problems you can specify as well, and the people don't have time, and I can just specify the people who don't have time for visiting the on-site stores, and I just specify, so we are basically helping for performing and helping there to get and buy the online products if they don't have a time, and then you just need to specify the each ad scroll 2 or 3 CT and tune should be premium and this one. And if I just specify here, now see the magic, how nicely Claude AI will be helping me for creating the 5 ad copies for the Facebook variations, and I can save my time and energy. Instead of I would like to hire a social media expert or a team, and that cost will be saved as well. And you can see the bold variations, here are the 5 Facebook copywriting uh, variations I am getting in terms of the blue one, the variation one. Your wardrobe upgrade should not cost the sachet. Skip the parking, the crowds, changing the queues, the blue stop polo, hands to your drawer, and versatile to wear all 500 CT. And this is the second, and how nicely I am getting. And also Claude will be asking me that for a few testing variation 1 and 4 lean hardest into no time pain point, so they are your strongest bets for the busy shopper audience, and variation 3 will likely attract a higher intent. And Claude AI will be helping me to give the more direction and more understanding, that would you like to want me to write matching headlines and linking the description and all the other stuff as well. So the more the information, I would like to say that, for example, Instagram shorter format. So if I just specify here, so Claude will be helping me for creating the Instagram post as well now. So it totally depending upon you, that whatever the content you are expecting, just use this template now. And now I am getting the Instagram emojis and all these stuffs. You can also ask that also create images in my post, and now you can see that the more you will be asking the questions, the Claude AI will be helping you for generating the content as per your expectations. And in the second time, meanwhile, if I just navigate back towards the slides, the second prompt, if I just go back here, what you can do now, you can also create, you present yourself as a social media manager, and you can create your monthly content more fastly. And here you just need to specify this prompt: you act as a social media strategist, build a 30-day content calendar, and you just need to specify your brand, and you just need to specify your platform. And then you also need to specify that mix educational, promotional, engagement post for each day, and you just need to also present that, give a hook, caption, and 3 hashtags. And you also need to present your niche, your target market, and the goal should be like what you want to expect for your monthly content. Either you are expecting for followers, sales, or leads. You need to be crystal clear about your goal, and more the information you will present, the better the results you will get now. And also, if I just you copy this prompt as well, you can go back and towards your notebook Claude AI, and here this time if I just new chat now, and I can again copy and paste, and you can build a 30-day content, and you just need to specify your brand name. Let's say my brand name should be anything, whatever you are expecting now. So I can just specify here the brand name for the brand, and the brand name can be anything like uh, I would like to say RTM is the name of my brand. And on the platform, on platform you just need to specify the website, www, for example. I can specify the same website name which I just copy and paste for the practice purposes, like I can just specify like uh, j dot or any of the website. For example, I can come here, I can copy this one, and I can just specify here the platform. And then you just need to also specify that they mix the content, promotion and engagement, and your target niche audience should be the people who love to buy online clothes, casual, right? And your goal should be for the followers or leads creation. And once you just need to specify again towards the Claude AI, so Claude AI will be start creating the monthly content for you. And this is how nicely, being as you act as a manager, you can create your social media strategy, and you can also present towards the so many clients. And either you are an entrepreneur or either you are a freelancer, you can also provide these services towards your other clients as well. And meanwhile, if I just go back towards the previous chat, here you can see that still it will be creating the images for the Instagram and the Facebook as well. So if I just go back towards the 30 days social media content, it will take a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, if I just go back towards the slides, and the third hook should be that you can also create your emails and also present the funnels. Here you just need to copy and paste this prompt, like you are an email marketer, write a 4 email welcome sequence for a new subscriber, and you just need to present your brand just like I presented. And the goal should be like turn them into a buyers of product, and include the subject lines plus preview text for each. And also I would like to expect that there should be the CTA in the email, and also we need to present the offer in email as well. So this is the another prompt. You just need to copy and paste. I will attach this presentation so you can reuse in your campaigns and daily email funnel as well. So the fourth strategy I would love to share with you, that if you have a blog and you are a blogger, or you want to create the content for your website and you want to rank your website, so this should be the prompt. You just need to specify that act as an SEO content writer, create a blog outline for the keyword, and here you just need to specify the keyword now, and include an SEO title, meta description, and everything now. So let's do together. If I just copy this one, and if I just go back towards the browser, I can create a new chat, and here I just need to specify 4.8, and here I can specify, for example, the content should be anything as per your interest. My content should be, I can say the keyword, and here I'm just start writing, for example, the digital marketing strategies. So I just specified that include an SEO title, headings, information content, and all those stuff. And once I just click here this icon, Claude AI will be start creating developing and helping me for strategizing the blog outline. And this is how nicely I am getting the responses, the SEO title, the meta description, the target words, and all these things I am getting now. And also, if I just scroll down, this will be also helping me to understand why this structure works. If front loads the informational content, the more closely right strategies, budget sections, FAQ sections, and also ask me that would you like to want me to draft into a paragraph, expand these sections. I would like to say yes. And this is how what I was saying before few minutes back, that Claude will be communicating us just like a human. So if I just specify the yes, so I am now getting the updated content now. So I hope that you exactly understand that how Claude will be helping for developing and asking you the questions. And this time I am getting the human like interaction. This is the unique selling point which the other large language models still struggling. Even the Codex and the Open Chat GPT, they are also using and following the patterns just like the Claude AI, but Claude AI will be much better due to these things. That would you, which would you like me to do? Draft the paragraph, expand a section for a full copy, build a keyword intent linking map. And I would like to say that, for example, all three now. So once I just selected this option, I am getting my expected outcome. So it will take few minutes. Let me go back towards the previous results for the ads I am just getting now, and still it will be creating. And this is the 30 days content calendar. If I just click here now, so now I have the complete information about the 30 days RTM. This is the name of my brand, the social media content calendar, and how this will works. The 40% educational content, 30% promotional content, the 30% engagement content. And the week one, the day one, the day two content, the educational, and I am getting the headings and emojis and all the hashtags. Whatever I just presented in the prompt, I got the expected outcome. Day 4, day 5, and that will save your time and energy. And you just need to do for posting your Facebook or LinkedIn, you just need to specify the platform where you are having a plan now, and you can get your 30 days plan. I hope that you exactly understand that this is the power of Claude AI will be helping for overcome your challenges for hiring a particular Facebook strategist or social media manager. And also, if I just go back, and I am getting a nicely created Instagram images, and you can see that you don't need to hire any photographer. You just need to take a one shot for your image for your product, and rest of the things you just leave it towards the Claude AI. If you have a original shirt, you take a one picture and you can create a lots of variations now. So what so far we discuss, we also discussed that how Claude will be helping for creating the blogs, and how you can rank, and also you can create your repurposing purposes. For example, here you are having any video transcript. If you just paste it now, you can say to your Claude AI that reuse them for creating the content for the Twitter, LinkedIn post, and Claude will be start keeping the voice and pull the strongest hooks from your transcript and flag the single best clip for a short now. And this is the fifth tip of the marketing I'm resharing with you, and you can use this prompt as well for your creating the campaigns. And also in the end, I would like to say that four tips you always needs to make sure feed it your best work. Always give 2 to 3 examples, just like we did for prompt while sharing the context. And you need to make sure that you are interviewing the Claude AI, and always say that ask me 5 questions before you start now, and Claude AI will be asking you the questions before proceeding and creating the content. And also iterate, and also creating the more in a punchier way, like cut it 30% more casual. You need to more educate to Claude LLM models, whatever the model you are selecting, and you will get the best outcome while asking, repeating the different questions and creating the context in a more appropriate way. And in the last, always make sure that 80% Claude will give you the outcome. The rest of the 20% you need to make the content more relevant while sharing the more inputs, more context, the more system prompts. So these are the tips and tricks. I hope that these will help you for creating and saving you lots of time and energy. If you like this session, so please subscribe my channel so you will be able to see upcoming